Hi dear students, we are going to learn in this video how to draw the graph of the straight line. The form here ax plus by is equal to c. Generally this is called the standard form of the straight line. So here this is the function and I'm going to find the graph of it, and I'm going to explain how to find the graph of the straight line. Firstly, I need to remind you about the steps. The first step, step 1, we should find the x is equal to 0. When x is equal to 0, you are going to find the y-intercept. And intercept means intersection point of x-axis and the graph y. So, and step 2, if y is equal to 0, it means that this is x-intercept. So, it is the point on the x-axis and which line is passing through. So x is equal to 0 in the function you are going to replace, then y is equal to 0 you are going to replace, you are going to find x and y values, and you are going to find the intercepts of the function. Then you are going to draw the graph of the line. Let me explain how it is. So for 3x plus 4y, if it's equal to 12, then 3 times if x is equal to 0. This is the first step. If x is equal to 0, this implies that 3 times 0 plus 4y, it's equal to 12. You know 3 times 0 is equal to 0, so 4y it's going to be, there's no need to write 4y here. 4y is equal to 12. Then y is going to be equal to 12 divided by 4, which is equal to 3. So if this is y-intercept, I'm finding on the y-axis the point 3 here. This is the point 3. So this is the first intercept, which means the line intersect with the y-axis. Okay, the second step is if y is equal to 0. This implies that 3 times x plus 4 times 0 is equal to 12. 4 times 0 is equal to 0, you know that one. 3x is equal to 12. It's going to be x is equal to 12 over 3, which is x is equal to 4, is the second intercept. So x is equal to 4. I found here the second intercept and the value 4. I wrote here the 4 also. Now the thing I am going to do, connect these 2 points. If I connect these 2 points, then I will find the graph of the straight line, and I'm going to use the help of this tool here. I'm going to start from this point here, and I'm going to choose the color, different color here. Let me choose green here, or also this one, it can be, or white. Then I'm going to draw the line here, from this point I'm going to start, because I'm measuring like that here. Then it's going to pass through this point and this point. Here it should be, I think this is the last one here. Yeah, now I draw the graph of the line, and I'm going to name the line like this is the name of the line. 3x plus 4y is equal to 12 is the name of the line. When you see this line, you are going to understand that the name of the line 3x plus 4y is equal to 12 is going to be. Okay, if we continue with another exercise here, 3x minus 7y, if it's equal to 21, it means that firstly x is equal to 0 you are going to try, and you are going to find 3 times 0 minus 7y is equal to 21, minus 7y is equal to 21, and y is equal to 21 over minus 7, y is equal to minus 3. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, this is the y-axis. If you remember, this is the y-axis, this is the x-axis, and here it is minus 3. The second one, if y is equal to 0, 3 times x minus 7 times 0 is equal to 21. Again, 7 times 0, it's going to be 0, 3y is equal to, actually 3x is equal to 3x, x is equal to 21, x is equal to 21 divided by 3, x is equal to 7 is going to be. So x is equal to 7, I'm finding the value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here is the x is equal to 7. This is the second point. Now I'm going to connect these 2 points and I'm going to draw the line. Here I'm going to choose like this also, that's going to help to me. Here the horizontal and vertical, it is equal to 3 and 7. I'm coming here to 7 unit to this side and 3 unit down. I'm going to start from this point. So here with respect to that one, if I use the tool again here for the graph, I'm going to use different color for the graph. Here, pardon. It's going to be here from this point. You're going to start to this one and it's going to continue like this. This is the graph of the line and the name of the line is y is equal to 3x, actually 3x minus 2y. I'm sorry, 3x minus 7y is equal to 21 going to be. Okay, here there are different exercises and we may continue with them, but I'm going to solve only the G1 here to see how the solution is. 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. If x is equal to 0, we are continuing like that. If x is equal to 0, 2 times 0 plus 3y is equal to 12. 2 times 0 is equal to 0, so 3y is equal to 12. Y is equal to 12 over 3. Y is equal to 4, it's going to be. So y-axis 1, 2, 3, 4. Here, this place it's going to be. This is the place for 4. If x is equal to, if y is equal to 0 in the second step, it's going to be 2 times x plus 3 times 0 is equal to 12. 2x, this is because 0, 2x, it's going to be equal to 12. X is equal to 12 over 2. And x is equal to 6 is the answer of the question. It's going to be. Here there is a, if we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, here it's going to be. This is the place for the 6. So if I draw the line which is passing through that points, I think it's going to be here. It's going to start from here. I'm going to again use the tool, help of the tool, and it is going to be, I'm going to, here it is, yes, it's already selected. So I'm going to start from this point and it's going to pass through these 2 points as you see, and this is the line which is passing through 4 and this is passing through 6. This is the, as I said before, this is the x and this is the y-intercept. This is the y-intercept and this is the x-intercept. It's going to be x-intercept. So with respect to that one, the name of the line, it was 2x plus 3y is equal to 12 is going to be.